Welcome to CoreSport Learning. Today we're going to be learning about cells biology. Let's see the cell structure, all type of animal cells, all type of plant cells. We're going to see that today in today's video. Let's move on. Shall we? Yeah. What is a cell? Cells are the smallest living units of all living things. All plants, animals, and humans are made of cells. Some organisms are single-celled, like bacteria, while others are multi-celled, like humans. Types of cells. There are three main types of cells in life. Animal cells, found in animals and humans. Plant cells, found in plants. Bacterial cells, very small and simple, found in bacteria. Parts of animal cells. Now we're going to look at all parts of animal cells. Cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance in a cell. Mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell. This is the place where respiration takes place. Now pause for a moment. I would suggest you guys can write notes in your notebook if you have a notebook near you, so that these things can easily, if you don't remember, you can look back to your notebook and know what it is. If you have tests, this is the best way to study. So I recommend that you guys take a notebook and start writing. Okay, let's continue. Ribosomes. These are the protein-making factories. They make protein for the cell. Cell wall. This is the outer layer of the cell that keeps the cell shape. Cell membrane. This is where the decision of letting what substance in and out of the cell comes. Nucleus. The part where it controls the cell's activity and has the cell's DNA. Now, let's look at parts of plant cells. All of the parts in an animal cell is in a plant cell, and that's for sure. But plant cells also include chloroplast. This is where photosynthesis takes place. The plant makes food for itself. Vacuole. This is the storage bubble of the cell. This stores food, water, etc. Venn diagram task. Now, please get a notebook and write down the parts only in a plant cell and the parts only in an animal cell and what is in both. Please pause the video to do this. After you write your answers, continue the video because next slide is the answers. Okay, here are your Venn diagram answers. For plant cells, it's chloroplast and vacuole. For animal cells, it's none. For both, mitochondria, cytoplasm, cell wall, cell membrane, ribosomes, and nucleus. Now let's move on. You can pause the video to check your answers. If I went too fast, let's move on. Sperm cell, found in the scrotum in boys. Key fact, it has no nucleus. Egg cell, found in the ovaries of girls. Ciliated cell, found in the trachea to waft mucus. Some examples of plant cells. Root hair cell, found in roots of plants. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process used by plants, algae, and some bacteria to transform light energy, sunlight, into chemical energy, glucose. This occurs primarily within the chloroplast of plant cells. The process uses water and carbon dioxide to create food for the plant, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The word equation is carbon dioxide plus water gives you light plus or chlorophyll gives you glucose plus oxygen. And now, if you're in year 6 or year 7, this question will definitely be asked in your science test because this is one of the things you will learn in year 7 or year 6. So make sure you remember this, and I'm pretty sure this video will be help to you guys. Now, what is Miss Gren? What is Miss Gren? Miss Gren is a popular mnemonic used to measure the 7 vital life processes that define all living organisms. Here are the details for each. Movement, the ability of an organism to change position or place. Plants move by turning toward light, while animals move their entire bodies. Respiration, the chemical process of breaking down nutrients like glucose to release energy for the cell. Sensitivity, the ability to detect and respond to changes, stimuli, in the surrounding environment, such as light, temperature, or sound. Growth, a permanent increase in size and dry mass by increasing the number of size of cells. Reproduction, the process of making more of the same kind of organism, ensuring the survival of the species. Excretion, the removal of toxic materials and waste products of metabolism like CO2 or urea from the body. Nutrition, taking in materials, food, nutrients for energy, growth, and development. Now we have reached the end of the video, and here I have 10 questions for you guys to try. And yeah, you guys can try these questions. Comment down below your answers. I'll give some feedback later. Please support CoSport Learning by subscribing our channel and liking our video. We're always here to support you in your education. And thank you for watching the video.